Before one word is spoken, before the sun touch the mountain, the drum already know the story. Every heartbeat answer back when the drum start talk. Before daylight kiss the shoreline, misty wrap the forest green. Every leaf hold tiny diamonds where the night's lost tears have been. River glide through ancient valley, carrying songs from long ago, teaching every generation wisdom only time can know. Rooster call across the hillside, echo rolling clear and wide. Breadfruit branches gently bending to the warm Caribbean tide. Children wake to smell the breakfast, drifting through the open door. Simple blessings fill the morning, proving life is always more. Farmer Marcus greet the sunrise with him cutlass on him side, working every fertile hillside filled with dignity and pride. Every furrow tell a story, every seed become a prayer. Knowing understands and patience, always find an answer there. Down beside the fishing harbor, old canoes begin to sway. Salt breeze dance across the water as the boats sail out the bay. Though the ocean change its temper and the clouds may hide the blue, faith become the strongest anchor, pulling every sailor through. When the mountain hide the light, keep believing through the night. Deepest roots no fear the rain, sun will surely shine again. When the drums start talk, hearts reply. Lift your spirit to the sky. Every beat become a guide. Keep true love right by your side. When the drums start talk once more, hope come knocking at the door. From the valley to the sea, walk in peace and unity. Evening wrap the world in amber, painting clouds with shades of flame. Moon climbs slowly over coconut trees, yet tomorrow come the same. Fireflies scatter through the cane fields like 1,000 little stars, lighting up forgotten pathways, healing old and hidden scars. Grandma sit beneath the almond tree and tell of years gone by. Oh, compassion outlive riches, and old truth can never die. Every child lean in and listen as the cool breeze softly blow, planting seeds of hope and courage deep inside each heart to grow. Me no chase no throne of silver, nah, a crown of polished gold. Give me honest conversation and a hand that I can hold. Every neighbor share them harvest when the season overflow, because blessings multiply fastest when together people grow. If one brother lose him footing, 10 more hands will lift him high. If one sister shed a teardrop, countless hearts will stand nearby. That is how the village prosper, that is how the spirit thrive. Love is not just something spoken, love is something kept alive. Pass the bread around the table, let no hungry soul remain. Pass the stories, pass the wisdom, pass the sunshine after rain. Light one candle from another, watch the darkness disappear. Hope is louder than the thunder, love is stronger than all fear. Bassline roll like distant thunder underneath the evening sky. One drop rhythm move the people till them troubles pass them by. Lead the guitar cry sweet and gentle like the seabirds on the breeze. Harmony drift through the valleys, crossing rivers, crossing seas. Bonfire blaze beside the shoreline, elders smile and youth all dance. Every chorus binded people in a timeless sweet romance. Music rise above division, lifting every hopeful voice. tomorrow and my voice no longer sing. May the seeds of love me planted blossom every passing spring. Plant a breadfruit, plant a mango leaf, cool shade for years to come. Leave a song that children carry beating softly like a drum. Time may change the face of villages, rivers shift and seasons turn. Still the flame inside the people keep on finding ways to burn. One love echo through the ages, one faith brighter than the sun. When the drums start telling stories, every heart become as one. Who hear the drum? All of we. Who carry on? All of we. Who stand together? All of we. Who keep the roots alive? All of we. When the drums start talk once more, open every heart and door. Storm may rage and oceans rise, still we lift we hopeful eyes. When the drums start talk again, joy outshine the fear and pain. One love, one rhythm, one family, forever roots, forever free. The mountains still watching, the mountains still watching. The river still flowing, the river still flowing. The children still laughing, the children still laughing. The drums still calling. Walk with courage, walk with courage. Walk with kindness, walk with kindness. Walk with truth. When the drums start talking, every soul listen, every heart answer. One love forever. Yeah. Hear the drum beat, feel the heartbeat. Give thanks for life, give thanks for love. Carry the flame. Carry the flame. Yeah. Morning dew on the banana leaf. Jah bring comfort, Jah bring relief. Me step outside with thankful heart. Every sunrise a brand new start. Blue sky open wide for ya. Big tree and sun nature call. Every breeze I sing so sweet. Guide me humble walking feet. Enough temptation line the road, still me carry open load. Every lesson shape the soul. Faith I keep me spirit whole. Me know what you rich or poor. Every life deserve much more. Love no measure by the wealth. True success a peace and health. If the wind blow hard tonight, still me trust the morning light. Every tear I go dry someday. Jah forever lead the way. Carry the flame, don't let it die. Keep your dreams reaching high. One love, one song, lift every soul from the ground. Sing together, side by side. Open mercy, be we guide. Carry the flame through joy and pain after every storm. Sunshine come again. Little boat pan open sea, floating calm and naturally. Captain smile though waves arise. Faith reflected in him eyes. Fisherman cast out him net, never lose him hope just yet. Patience sweeter than pure gold, just like elders always told. Village gather Saturday night, music make the future bright. Drum and bass beneath the stars, healing every hidden scar. People dancing hand in hand, unity across the land. Every laugh become a prayer, blessing floating through the air. Mountain tall but courage taller. Every prayer make we stronger. No surrender, no delay. Love I go always find a way. Carry the flame, don't let it die. Keep your dreams reaching high. One love, one song, lift every soul from the ground. Sing together, side by side. Open mercy, be we guide. Carry the flame through joy and pain after every storm. Sunshine come again. Grandmother rocking on the porch, passing down hope like a torch. Every story full of grace, smile a bright in every face. Children chase the but butterflies, dreaming underneath blue skies. Simple moments worth much more than all riches ever store. River teach me to forgive, every day a chance to live. Tree roots buried deep below, still them reach and still them grow. At no bill fi carry it, love unlock a brighter gate. Open arms instead of fear, better future drawing near. If you stumble, rise once more. Every closed gate, a new door. If you weary, take your rest. Jah know always what is best. Hold the vision, keep it near. Never feed it out to fear. Love a river, always flow. Plant good seeds, watch them grow. Sunset in the western sky, golden colors drifting by. Moonlight dance upon the bay, ending yet another day. Crickets sing a gentle tune, echo underneath the moon. Nature preach without a word, every message clearly heard. Tomorrow call with fresh new chance. Life invite we advance. Walk with kindness, speak with truth. Guide the elders, teach the youth. Every nation, every race can be joined through love and grace. One creator, one bright flame. Every heart can do the same. Carry the flame, keep it bright, shining true. The darkest night, raise your voice, lift your head, walk the path where love is spread. One people, one embrace, hope and peace fill every place. Carry the flame, never tire, keep alive the holy fire. Till the rivers meet the sea, love shall live eternally. Give thanks for the journey, give thanks for the rain, give thanks for the laughter, give thanks for the pain. Every sunrise bring you hope, every heartbeat sing one song. Carry the flame, carry the love, carry the peace forever. Yeah, roots rock, hear the Naya bring the drum beat. Feel the heartbeat of the people, from the blue mountain breeze to the wide open sea. Give thanks, one love, Jah guide. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Daylight peep through me window pane, wash away the night and pain. Rooster crow and the village way, every breath I give it take. Cool breeze pass through bamboo tree, carry sweet melody to me. Bird them greet the morning sun, another day has now begun. Me lace me shoes and start fi trod, giving thanks unto me God. Road no smooth and road no straight, still me never bow to fate. Every pebble need me feet, teach me how to stand complete. Every scar me carry now, turn to strength somehow. Granny tell me long ago, watch the seed that choose me so. If you plant love every day, love will always find your way. Them words grow inside me soul like deep roots that make me whole. Even when the sky turn gray, me remember what she said. Storm cloud can't hide the light, morning always win the fight. Hold your courage, hold your flame. Tomorrow never stay the same. Sun I go rise again after every rain. Hope I go bloom again after every pain. Stand up strong, carry on. Every night bring her down. One love, one way, Jah guide we. Every day market lane alive with cheer, friendly vices everywhere. Fresh cocoa, mango, sugar cane. People smiling through them strain. Old miss give a little fruit. Kindness always bear good root. Everybody know our name. Love and giving bring a fame. Farmer wipe him sweating grow. Still him whisper thankful vow. Tiny seed beneath the ground. Soon enough abundance found. River water feed the land. Nature work with gentle hand. Patience never rush the time. Harvest come in season prime. Fisherman before first light. Sail beneath the stars so bright. Ocean rough but heart stand still. Trusting in the Father's will. When him pull him net, sure enough he share and maybe more. Blessings sweeter when them spread. Every hungry soul get fed. School bell ring across the plain. Children laugh without refrain. Books beneath them eager arm. Eyes still full of hope and charm. Teacher writing chalk so white. Truth and love are greater might. Every lesson, every page help to shape another age. Youth them gather after school, dreaming big and keeping cool. Someone sing and someone build, someone heal what life has spilled. Tell them never fear the climb. Every mountain take its time. River never raise the sea, still it reach eventually. When the burden feel too strong, lift your spirit through a song. Every valley have an end. Faith remain your closest friend. Sun I go rise again after every rain. Hope I go bloom again after every pain. Stand up strong, go carry on. Every night, go bring a dawn. One love, one way, Jah guide we. Every day, evening wrap the earth in peace. Busy voices slowly cease. Moonlight dance upon the bay. Silver dreams begin to play. Old guitar begin to cry. Sweet notes floating to the sky. Drums reply with ancient song, calling every soul around. Grandpa tell the children near, never walk with hate or fear. Strongest people no fight, most them who love become the host. Granny smile and softly pray, bless the family every day. Little ones just close them eyes, dream beneath star-filled skies. If you fall, rise again. If you lose, love again. If you cry, hope again. Every ending start again. Keep your faith, hold it tight. Stars still shine through the night, through the night. Years will pass like ocean tide. Still keep goodness by your side. Money fade and fame grow. Love worth more than bars of gold. Leave a blessing where you stand. Build tomorrow hand in hand. Plant compassion, so respect. That is wealth we should protect. When the last song reach the air, may we leave more love than fear. From the mountains to the shore, let peace reign forevermore. Every heartbeat join as one, shining brighter than the sun. Till the rivers kiss the sea, love shall live eternally. Sun I go rise again. Hope I go bloom again. Lift your voice, sing along. Turn your story into song. One people, one embrace. Love can heal every place. Raise your hands, face the sky. Dreams no ever need to die. Sun I go rise again, again and again. One love forever. Jah guide till the end. Give thanks for the morning light. Give thanks for the evening stars. Give thanks for every tear. Give thanks for every smile. Walk with faith, walk with truth, walk with love. One heart, one people, one destiny. Sun I go rise again forever. Yeah. Look up, higher than the clouds,
Higher than the mountain.
the stars still watching. The stars never sleep. The stars never sleep. Oh, yeah. Night fall gently upon the island. Cool breeze whisper through the trees. Moonlight dance upon the river, floating softly with the breeze. Every star above remind we darkness never lasts too long. Every heartbeat find its rhythm in creation's endless song. Morning soon will paint the hillside, roll up on the emerald green. Every valley waking glory, like a beautiful new dream. Birds song ring from every branch top, greeting all beneath the sky. Life keep moving like the river, faithful as the tide roll by. Old man Joseph tend him garden just before the break of day, planting hope in every furrow in him quiet humble way. Young girl carry books to schoolhouse with determination bright, dreaming of a better future, shining like the stars at night. Market full of cheerful voices, baskets overflowing high. Neighbors trade more than provisions, they share laughter passing by. Every smile become a blessing, every handshake build trust. Strong communities are built with love, not silver, stone or dust. Though the road seem long tonight, keep believing in the light. Stars above still clearly shine, showing hope is always mine. Stars never sleep, never fade away, lighting every soul till another day. Beat the drum and raise your song, love will always make we strong. Stars never sleep, high above the sea, shining over you and shining over me. From the mountain to the shore, peace and love forevermore. Evening fire beside the village, gather family all around. Stories travel through the silence with a warm and gentle sound. Grandma tell of ancient courage living in the hearts of all. How united hands go stronger every time one person falls. Fireflies drift through cocoa gardens like a million tiny lights, guiding dreamers through the darkness, filling hearts with fresh delights. Ocean sings beyond the shoreline, waves repeat an endless prayer. Hope can always find a home where kindness fills the air. Me no chase the empty riches that tomorrow may erase. Me pray for the wealth of friendship and a neighbor's warm embrace. Every helping hand extended, plant another fruitful tree, growing forest made of mercy for the next generation see. If one farmer lose him harvest, everyone will sow again. If one fisher face rough waters, others help him through the strain. That is how the roots stay living, standing tall through every year. Love grows stronger than division, stronger than uncertainty or fear. Pass the light from heart to heart, every ending is a start. Lift the weak until them rise, hope is written in the skies. Plant compassion, let it grow, farther than we'll ever know. Every act of kindness done, shine just like the morning sun. Baseline roll like distant thunder underneath the silver moon. One drop rhythm hold the people in its calm familiar tune. Lead guitar cry sweet as seabirds floating high above the bay. Every melody remind we brighter, dance around the way. Bonfire blaze beside the shoreline, voices blend in harmony. Children dance and elders smile, wrapped in joyful unity. Music travel farther than the strongest ocean breeze can roll, calling every wandering spirit safely, gently home. Stars never sleep, forever bright, guiding every soul through night. Storm may come and winds may rise, still hope lives beyond the skies. Forever true, lighting every path for you. One love, one rain, one family. Roots reggae, eternally. The stars still shine, the drums still beat, the river still flow, the people still sing. One Another morning, another chance, another blessing. The sun always returns, sunrise never late. Yeah. Before the dawn touched the mountain, silence hold the waking line. Gentle breeze caressed the palm trees like a soft and loving hand. Tiny drops of morning dew shine bright upon the cave. Every sunrise wash away yesterday's sorrow and pain. River hum a timeless melody beneath the emerald hill, teaching every restless spirit how to breathe and stand still. Rooster call from wooden rooftop, echo crossing field and bay. Welcome in another chapter at the birth of every day. Smoke rise from the village fires, where fresh bread slowly bake. Families gather round the table as the sleeping children wake. Simple joys become rich treasures when the heart is full of grace. Every smile become a blessing, lighting every face. Yeah. Brother Daniel till the soil beneath the warming morning sun. Every seed him gently plant, believe tomorrow has begun. Sister Naomi weave bright baskets while she softly hum a tune. No impatient hands bring harvest, neither early nor too soon. School bell ring across the valley, dreams begin another climb. Every page and every lesson build a future one line at a time. Elders beneath the banyan sharing wisdom calm and deep, teaching promises are gardens. Faithful souls must always keep. Night may seem forever long, still the birds prepare them song. Clouds may hide the golden ray, sunrise never lose its way. Sunrise never late, never fade, hope arrive beyond the trail. Beat the drum and raise your voice, love remain the greatest choice. Sunrise never late again, healing us through joy and pain. From the mountain to the sea, one love, one family. Evening paint the western ocean with 1,000 shades of fire. Moon climbs slow above the forest, lifting every dreamer higher. Fireflies sparkle through the gardens like small stars upon the ground. Showing quiet acts of goodness, how where miracles are found. Grandma smiled beside the lantern, telling tales of years gone by. Truth will stand like ancient mountains, reaching boldly to the sky. Riches fade like drifting shadows carried by the evening breeze, but our loving heart grows stronger every season, every breeze. Me no seek no throne of silver, me no crave no crown of gold. Give me neighbor standing with me when the nights grow dark and cold. If one child lose hope tomorrow, let me song restore them dream. Like water flowing gently through a clear and peaceful stream. If one do fall in the storm, when every hammer start to ring. If one field become forgotten, many ends new seeds will bring. That is how the roots they living through the sunshine and the rain, standing stronger every season after every loss and gain. Pass the bread, pass the smile, walk together every mile. Lift the weak, guide the young, sing with every hopeful tongue. Plant the tree, share the shade, leave more love than wealth has made. Baseline pulse like mighty thunder underneath the moonlit sky. One drop rhythm keep the heartbeat lifting every spirit high. The guitar float like cool sea breeze, dancing through the coconut trees. Every note become a blessing, carried softly on the breeze. Bonfire burn beside the shoreline while the children clap in time. Voices blending sweet harmony, stronger than the tallest pine. Music cross the seas and borders, joining strangers hand in hand. Showing every heart has room enough to heal another land. When my journey reach the ending and my footprints fade away, hope these songs may leave behind still brighten someone's day. Plant go plant a seed, a plant compassion deep inside. Leave a legacy of kindness. No rough star can never hide. As long as dawn embrace the mountain and the waves embrace the shore. As long as trunks unite the people, love will always grow some more. Generation after generation sing beneath the golden sky. Sunrise never late, and hope will never die. Sunrise never late, shining brightly in every soul light. Star may rage and river swell, still true love will conquer well. Sunrise never late, always guide our hearts through all our days. One love, one rhythm, one people. Roots reggae forever blaze. The sun still rise, the drums still play, the river still flow, the children still dream. Give thanks, keep the faith, walk in love. Sunrise never late, forever one love. Slow down, come sit in the shade. Hear the breeze whisper through the leaves. Every tree remember, every root told a story. Gather close. Yeah. By the old mango tree at the end of the lane, morning dew still sparkle after night soft rain. Sunlight stretch across the hillside like a blanket made of gold, greeting every humble story waiting patiently untold. Birds compose the first sweet chorus long before the village wake. Rivers sing against the smooth stone with each gentle twist and break. Smoke rise from the little cook shop where the fire begin to glow. Simple life become a blessing only grateful hearts can know. Miss Pauline sweep the doorway with a smile upon her face, greeting every passing neighbor with sincerity and grace. Brother Eli patching fishing net while humming quiet praise, thanking Jah for every sunrise, every ordinary day. The children race barefoot through the red clay after rain, turning puddles into oceans, laughing louder than them pain. Teacher ring the schoolyard bell, dreams awaken one by one. Books become like little lanterns shining brighter than the sun. Storm clouds gather, winds may blow, still the deepest roots will grow. What is planted with pure love rise like blessings from above. The old mango tree still stand, watching over sea and land. Beat the drum and sing along, love will always make us strong. The old mango tree so wide, give cool shade through every tide. From the mountain to the sea, one heart in harmony. Evening wrap the sky in colors painted red and burning gold. Fishing boats return with stories only faithful seas have told. Fireflies gather near the sugar cane like tiny dancing stars, lighting paths for weary dreamers, healing yesterday's old scars. Grandfathers sit beneath the branches telling tales of years gone by. Oh, forgiveness build a future reaching higher than the sky. Every child lean close and listen, every lesson softly grow. Like the roots beneath the mango, only patient hearts can know. Me no seek no crown or diamonds, me no chase no palace gate. Me prefer a life of honesty before it grow too late. Every hand that help another build a bridge that never fall. Every word of hope can echo louder than below the scar. If me neighbor lose him harvest, half a mind become his own. If me sister carry sorrow, she no carry it alone. That is how the village blossom through the sunshine and the rain. Standing strong because together every heart can bear the strain. Pass the fruit around the table, pass the stories to the youth, pass the songs from every pine bay. Bassline roll beneath the moonlight like the thunder far away. One drop rhythm lift the spirits till the breaking of the day. Lead guitar cries soft and soulful like the seabirds on the tide. Every melody remind we love is always by we side. On fire blaze beside the river, children dance and elders smile. Every chorus joined together, stretching mile after mile. Music stronger than division, stronger than despair and fear, calling every generation to protect what they hold dear. When me footsteps fade from memory and me voice no longer sing, hope the trees me planted blossom every bright returning spring. May the songs me leave behind me comfort hearts me never meet, like cool rivers after rainfall, alright mango fresh and sweet. Long after the years keep passing and the stars change where them shine, may compassion keep on growing like a never-ending vine. As long as drums continue beating and the morning greet the sea, love will bloom beneath the branches of the old mango tree. Who got the roots? All are we. Who share the fruit? All are we. Who beat the drum? All are we. Who spread the love? All are we. The old mango tree still stands, sheltering every heart and storm may come and rivers rise, still we lift the hopeful eyes. The old mango tree remain through the sunshine and the rain. One love, one rhythm, one family, forever roots, forever free. The leaves still dancing, the birds still singing, the river still flowing, the drums still calling. Keep the roots deep, keep the heart open, keep the love growing beneath the old mango tree. Yesterday, today, tomorrow, forever one love. Hear the wind call, hear the river answer. Every road have a beginning, every river find the sea. Walk with courage, walk with love. Yeah. High on the mountain where the cool breeze blow, morning light paint every valley below. Mist rise slowly from the ancient stone, whispering softly, no heart stand alone. River begin as a quiet little stream, growing stronger than it ever could dream. Every turn teach patience and grace, every sunrise bring a smile to me face. Bird song echo through the cedar and pine, nature keep perfect rhythm and time. Leaves clap hands to the trade wind song, reminding every soul where them belong. Farmer wake before the first daylight, working with hope till the stars shine bright. Hands full of soil but heart full of praise, thankful for life through all of him days. Fish are launching boat before dawn break, trusting the sea with every wave it make. Though the current change and clouds may rise, fate still live behind him eyes. Children laugh in the dusty lane, finding joy after every rain. Books in hand and dreams held high, following hope beneath the sky. Every mountain face the breeze, every river reach the seas. Hold your faith through joy and pain, sun will surely rise again. From the mountain to the sea, love set every spirit free. Beat the drum and let it roll, music heal the weary soul. From the mountain to the shore, hope keep opening every door. Hand in hand, side by side, let compassion be we guide. Evening wrap the earth in gold, every sunset new year told. Moonlight dance pan quiet bay, silver guide till break of day. Fireflies flicker through the cane, tiny lights after the rain. Crickets form a gentle choir, singing songs that never tire. Grandma smile upon the chair, speaking wisdom through the air. house of stone, me no need a golden throne. Give me family, give me song, that is where me happy belong. Every time it's me fulfill, stand like mountain calm and still. Every helping and kneeling, turn a stranger to a friend. If me stumble and decline, me rise stronger every time. Every scar become a sign, showing up through passing time. Share the harvest, share the rain, share another person's pain. Lift the weak until them stand. Walk together hand in hand. One kind word can cross the years, dry another person's tears. Every seed of goodness sown, going to a forest road. Baseline roll like distant thunder, pulling every heart together. One drop rhythm fill the square, good vibration everywhere. Lead guitar cry, sweet and slow, like the mountain rivers flow. Voices rise beneath the stars, healing every hidden scar. Bonfire glow till morning light, holding back the darkest night. Every chorus ride the breeze, crossing valleys, crossing seas. When the final journey done, hope me work inspire someone. Leave no riches locked away, leave more kindness every day. Plant a seed up by the stream, shade another person's dream. Leave a melody behind, comfort every searching mind. Though the years keep rolling on, love outlive the setting sun. Generation after generation, carry forward the vibration. Who walk the road? All are we. Who beat the drum? All are we. Who keep the faith? All are we. Who spread the love? All are we. From the mountain to the sea, love set every spirit free. Storm may come and rivers rise, still we live, we hope for lives. From the mountain to the shore, hope keep opening every door. One love, one rhythm, one family. Forever roots reggae, the mountain still standing, the river still run, the sea still sing, the drum still beat. Walk with courage, walk with gratitude, walk with love. From the mountain to the sea, one journey, one love. Easy now, no matter how heavy the cloud, no matter how long the night. One small light can guide 1,000 footsteps, keep the flame alive. Oh, yeah. Rain falls soft on the old zinc roof, singing like a gentle choir. Smoke curls flow from the kitchen stove, rising from the glowing fire. Morning night behind the cloud, but hope no hide from faithful eyes. Every storm of one last heartbeat before the sunlight fill the skies. Rooster crow from up the hillside, though the valley still asleep. River carry yesterday away, while ancient promises it keep. Mango branches bow with fruit, washed clean by the cooling rain. Nature whisper, every archipel, new life begin again. Miss Gloria, open up a shop before the daylight fully break. Greeting every soul with laughter, sharing more than she can make. Young man pedal old bicycle through the puddles and the clay, stealing whistle joyful melodies all along the winding way. Children gather by the school gate, uniform still damp with rain. Teacher smile and say keep learning, knowledge outlive every pain. Every page become a window, every dream another door. Lanterns in the rain glow bright, turning darkness into light. From the valley to the sea, walk in peace and harmony. Evening come with crimson colors spreading wide across the bay. Fishing boats drift slowly homeward as the daylight fade away. Fireflies dance among the cane fields, stars begin to claim the sky. Every tiny light remind we dreams can never truly die. Grandma sit beside the doorway knitting while she softly hum. Every thread become a memory of the days that yet to come. She says strength no come from shouting, strength is quiet, deep and true. Like the roots beneath the forest, nobody can easily move. Me no call me world by silver, all by houses built too high. Me count every heart encouraged, every tear me help to dry. Every neighbor share them blessings when another family fall. Because love grow even stronger every time it's shared by all. When the river flood the path with many hands build bridge again. When the harvest come in plenty, every table share the grain. That is how our people flourish, that is how one nation stand. Rooted deep in hope and mercy like great forests on the land. Pass the lantern to another, never let the darkness win. Lift the fallen with compassion, help them find new strength within. Plant one seed beside the river, watch it reach toward the sky. Every act of faithful kindness teach another soul to fly. Baseline roll beneath the moonlight like the heartbeat of the earth. One drop rhythm tell the story of resilience, love and worth. Beat guitar cry through the valley like the wind in bamboo leaves. Every note become a promise, every grateful heart believes. Bonfire glow beside the river where the elders clap in time. Children dance with fearless laughter while the stars begin to shine. Music flow beyond the borders, crossing oceans without end. Turning strangers into neighbors, every neighbor into friend. When my final road grow quiet and my voice become the breeze, hope my song still find young dreamers resting underneath the trees. Plant an orange, plant a breadfruit leaf, cool shade for years ahead. Leave kind words in people's memory long after me I'm dead. As long as rain still kiss the hillside and the sunrise warm the sea. As long as drums keep calling people into shared humanity. Hope will bloom in every season, stronger than the deepest pain. Like 1,000 glowing lanterns shining brightly through the rain. Oh, holy light, all are we beat the drum. All are we who share the hope. All are we who stand as one. All are we, lanterns in the rain still shine. Every heart become a sign. Storm may roar and rivers rise, still we lift we hopeful eyes. Lanterns in the rain remain, lighting joy through every pain. One love, one rhythm, one family, forever roots reggae. The rain still fall, the lantern still glow, the drum still beat, the people still know. Walk in truth, walk in kindness, walk in hope. Lanterns in the rain, never fade, forever shine. Yeah, yeah. Give thanks, the drum still beat, the fire still blaze. One love forever. Oh, yeah. Cockroach before the break of day. Me rise and kneel before me pray. Thank the Most High for breath and life, through every joy and every strife. Morning mist cover the hill, everything quiet, calm and still. Sun peak over mountain high, paint gold colors across the sky. Me walk the lane with steady pace. Every neighbor greet me face. Some a laugh and some a sigh. Still them lift them heads up high. Life no easy, that a true. Still we find strength to pull through. Hope no grow up on silver tree. Hope grow deep in honesty. If the road gets steep and long, keep your faith and sing your song. After darkness fade away, morning always find the day. River keep flow, never stop. Hope keep grow to the top. Hold on tight, stand up tall. Love and mercy conquer all. One heart, one soul, Jah love, make we whole. River keep flow, so we know better days still I go grow. Farmer plant him corn and yam, working with him with that palm. Sweat a run down pon him face, still in smile with quiet grace. Clothes may hide the burning sun, still the work must all get done. Harvest come when season right, fear transform the darkest night. Little girl with school bag blue, dreaming big like morning dew. Teacher tell her every day, knowledge light your future way. Little boy kick football round, big ambition in him found. Every child deserve to know, love can help them spirit grow. Storm no last forevermore. Peace soon knock on every door. Stand together hand in hand. Hope will heal the wounded land. Oh, river keep flow, never stop. Hope keep grow to the top. Hold on tight, stand up tall. Love and mercy conquer all. One heart, one soul, Jah love, make we whole. River keep flow, so we know better days still I go grow. Evening breeze begin to blow, orange sunset start to glow. Children gather round the fire, singing songs them never tire. Grandma tell us stories true, passing wisdom fresh and new. Every lesson touch the soul, helping broken spirits whole. Drama be the ancient sound, echo travel all around. Bass guitar begin to play, wash the heavy thoughts away. Voices blend in harmony, like the waves upon the sea. No division, no disgrace, love unite the human race. If you stumble, rise once more. Every trial, open door. If you're weary, take your rest. Tomorrow always bring the best. Never let your spirit bend. Oh, love and faith will never end. Moonlight shining pon the bay, guide the fishermen away. Stars a sparkle high above, remind we all to choose pure love. River flowing to the sea, see I'm as all we all should be. Giving more than what we take, every step for goodness sake. Years may pass and seasons change, still Jah love remain the same. Mountains stand through wind and rain, faith can carry heavy pain. Leave behind a gentle name, more than riches, more than fame. When the final song is done, there we shine just like the sun. River keep flow, hope still grow. Where it end, nobody know. Raise your hands, lift your eyes. Never let your dream capsize. One love, one light, shining through the darkest night. Oh, oh, river keep flow, river keep sing. Every heartbeat, everything. Give thanks for today, give thanks for tomorrow. Give thanks for the journey. Walk with love, walk with truth, walk with courage. One people, one family, one destiny. God bless forevermore. Carry we through the storm, yeah man. Listen to the heartbeat of the drum, listen to the whisper of the breeze. Every road tell a story, every soul carry a dream. Give thanks for the sunrise, give thanks for the rainfall. Give thanks for every lesson. One love, one heart, one destiny, yeah. Before the rooster crow me rise, me watch the morning paint the skies. Golden light on every hill, everything so calm and still. Me bow me head and close me eyes, send me prayer up on high. Guide my footsteps, keep me strong. Let me life become a song. There, barefoot walk on dusty lane. Feel the coolness after rain. Every footprint mark the way. Every dawn they give new day. Bird them sing from mango tree. Sweetest harmony for me. Nature preach without a word. Every message clearly heard. Me no measure life by gold, now by riches people hold. True wealth live inside this soul, where compassion make you whole. Every smile me freely share. Plant a blessing everywhere. Watch your gift come back one day, like the tide upon the bay. Clouds may gather overhead, still no fear inside me, yeah. Jah shine behind the gray. Light already find the way. Carry we through the storm, keep we safe and warm. When the thunder shake the land, hold we with your mighty hand. One love never fade, no matter what them say. Hope a blossom like the spring, hear the whole creation sing. Carry we through the storm, till another morning born. Every river reach the sea, love alone can set we free, yeah. Mama wake before daylight, cooking breakfast by lamplight. Though the cupboard sometimes bare, still she always find enough to share. She say, son no envy none, every race no have to run. Walk with truth and understand, that alone will make you stand properly before sunrise. Determination in him eyes, and my shovel, sweat and pain. Never once him heart complain. Every evening home him come, still him laugh and beat the drum. Simple joy around the fire, fill every heart with pure desire. Me learn strength no always low, sometimes humble, never proud. Like the river carving stone, patient spirit stand alone. Time reveal what words can't tell. Seeds grow slow but grow up well. Never rush the hand of fate. Every blessing have a date. Oh no, down a market voices ring. Every seller laugh and sing. Orange, mango, yam and spice. Life no perfect, still it's nice. Neighbor greet me with a grin. Come inside, make joy begin. Cup of tea and friendly talk, ease the burden of the walk. Children run through open field, dreams no lock and no conceal. One doctor, one teach, one build where hope can reach. Tell them every dream worth chase. Walk with courage, walk with grace. Knowledge stronger than a wall. Faith can lift the smallest soul. When the mountain look too steep, hold the promise always keep. Step by step and day by day, Jah clear another way. Carry we through the storm, keep we safe and warm. When the thunder shake the land, hold we with your mighty hand. One love never fade, no matter what them say. Hope a blossom like spring, hear the whole creation sing. Carry we through the storm, till another morning born. Every river reach the sea, love alone can set me free. Fish a launch before first light, trust the waves through darkest night. Ocean deep and wine blows strong, still him home a hopeful song. Every net him cast with care, knowing blessings floating there. Patience right upon him face, faith become him saving grace. Farmer dig the fertile ground, listen to creation song. Rain may late and sun may blaze, still him work through all the days. Tiny seed beneath the clay, hold tomorrow in a way. From one grain a field can rise, just like dreams beneath the skies. Moonlight like silver upon the sea. Stars keep silent company. Crickets sing till break of day. Softly chase the fears away. Grandma rocking pon the chair. Tell those stories full of care. Never hate another soul. Love alone can make you whole. Grandpa tune him all the time. Music travel near and far. Every note become a prayer. Floating gently through the air. People gather hand in hand. Young and old throughout the land. Different voices blend as one. Like the rays of morning sun. If you stumble,
Rise again.
if you weary,
Rest a while.
if you're crying,
Dry your eyes.
morning always, follow night. Keep your conscience pure and clean. Walk with mercy, walk serene. Never trade your soul for gold. Truth worth more than wealth untold. No wall high enough to stop. Hope from climbing to the top. No chain strong enough to bind. Freedom living in the mind. Plan forgiveness where you stand. Watch spread across the land. One kind word can change a life. Bring an end to needless strife. Every nation, every tongue, every elder, every young. Though we different in a style, love can carry every mile. Sunshine fall upon everyone underneath the same bright sun. When we walk with dignity, we be cool. Yeah, man. Hear the drums are call. Feel the spirit rise. From the dusty road to the shining shore. One love. Heart of a lion. Wake up when the morning break. Thank Jah for the life you make. Another chance for write my story. Another day for chase the glory. Me remember days gone by when me only had a dream in my eye. Enough people say me couldn't climb, but me trust the journey and me time. Me walk through fire, walk through rain. Carried hope through every pain. Every scar become a guide. Every lesson stand beside. We see the struggle in the streets. People searching for something sweet. Still them share a smile and prayer. Showing love still everywhere. Mama tell me keep your way. Don't let trouble steal your day. Pure heart and honest and can build a brighter land. Oh, when the wind blows melodies reach the sky. Drums a beat across the land, calling every heart to stand. Different voices, different names, love is